Welcome to Best Choice. The best Triton II parts is probably one of the most important components of your pool's filtration system, and keeping it in top condition is essential for clean and clear water. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Pentair Triton II sand filter parts, exploring everything from replacement components to maintenance tips, ensuring your pool stays pristine all season long. Let's get started. Number 5. Pentair Pac Fab Triton II Bulkhead Kit. This is the Pentair Pac Fab Triton II Bulkhead Kit. It's designed for your pool's filtration system. This kit ensures a secure and watertight seal. Specifically made for the PacFab Triton II filter series. This bulkhead kit is a crucial component for maintaining optimal performance. It helps prevent leaks and ensures efficient operation. The Pentair Bulkhead Kit is built to last. Its robust construction withstands the harsh conditions of pool environments. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. Installing this kit is straightforward. It's designed for easy integration with your existing setup. You'll have your pool system up and running quickly. By using the Pentair Pac Fab Triton II Bulkhead Kit, you're ensuring your pool's filtration system works at its best. It helps maintain water clarity and overall pool health. Get yours today. What we like. This bulkhead kit ensures a secure and leak-free connection. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable and straightforward solution for your pool filter, this is the one you should consider. What people say. Product was an exact replacement for the part that I needed to replace. Everything fit perfectly and my pool filter no longer leaks. Perfect fit in my sand filter. This is a OEM Pentair part works better than others. Number 4. Pentair Triton II Sand Filter V-Thread Closure Kit. This is a V-thread closure replacement kit. It's designed to replace the old one, ensuring your pool and spa sand filter works efficiently. This kit fits Pentair Triton II pool and spa sand filter models TR140, TR50, TR60, and TR100. Make sure it's compatible with your filter. The replacement kit comes in a tan color. It's designed to match the original components of your filter. The kit measures 15 to 12 inches in length, 4 to 12 inches in height, and 8 to 12 inches in width. It's the perfect size for your filter. With this kit, you can easily replace the old closure. It will help to keep your pool and spa water clean and clear. What we like. This V-thread closure replacement kit ensures a secure seal for your filter. The tan color seamlessly blends with your existing equipment. If you want to maintain the aesthetic appeal of your pool area while ensuring optimal filter performance, it's a great choice. What people say. Exact fit. Replacing the whole thing with this kit solved the problem. While the valve and gauge worked perfectly. Number 3. Pentair Pac Fab 9-1/8 Lateral, TR100. This is a replacement lateral. It is designed to fit specific Pentair sand filter models. This part ensures your filter functions correctly. This lateral is compatible with Pentair Triton II and Triton C3 pool spa sand filter models TR100, TR100C, and TR100C3. It also fits Pentair Tagless Fiberglass pool and spa sand filters. Make sure this is the right part for your filter. This replacement part is made to the exact specifications. It ensures a perfect fit for your sand filter. This will help maintain the efficiency of your pool or spa. The lateral measures 9 to 1/8 inches in length. This measurement is crucial for ensuring the correct fit. Double-check the size to confirm it is what you need. Installing this lateral is straightforward. It is designed for easy replacement. Following the instructions will ensure a smooth process. What we like. This lateral replacement is designed for optimal water distribution within your filter. It fits multiple Pentair models, offering versatility. If you have a Pentair Triton II or Tagless filter and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. A real perfect fit and the quality product arrived quicker than I expected. Could not ask for more, thank you. This is not intended for a TR60, but if you look up that filter model in the part finder tool at the top of the page, Amazon will tell you it is a fit. Number 2. Pentair Triton Filter O-Ring Closure. Is your pool filter leaking? This O-ring closure is the perfect replacement part. It's designed to seal the bulkhead, preventing any water from escaping. This O-ring is specifically designed for Pentair Tagilus and Triton Pool and Spa sand filters. It ensures a tight seal, keeping your water clean and clear. It also works with Pentair 1-1.2-inch 6-way high-flow and top-side mount valves. This versatile O-ring provides a secure fit for various Pentair filter systems. The O-ring measures 6 inches in length, 1/4 inch in height, and 6 inches in width. This ensures it fits perfectly and provides a reliable seal. Replacing the O-ring is a straightforward process. Simply remove the old one and install this new one to restore your filter's performance. It's a quick fix for a common problem. What we like. This O-ring replacement ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks. It's compatible with multiple filter and valve types. If you are experiencing leaks or need to replace a worn-out O-ring, this is a cost-effective solution. What people say. Fit my filter, stop the leak. Be sure to use Magic Lube liberally. Works great. Fits my Triton II TR60 and doesn't leak. Number 1. Pentair Triton II TR60 Fiberglass Sand Filter. This filter features a heavy-duty closure, making inspection simple. It also includes an easy-to-read pressure gauge with an air relief valve. This design ensures ease of use and maintenance. The swing-away diffuser provides instant access to the sand and all internal components. This feature simplifies maintenance and allows for quick servicing. It's designed for user convenience. All internal parts are threaded, which makes servicing much easier. This design choice simplifies the process of maintenance and repair. It is a user-friendly feature. The filter includes an internal air bleed. This feature helps to maintain optimal performance. It ensures the system operates efficiently. The combination sand and water drain makes servicing and winterizing fast and easy. This design saves time and effort during maintenance. It is a practical and efficient feature. What we like. This filter features a heavy-duty closure for easy inspection and maintenance. The swing-away diffuser allows quick access to internal parts. If you value ease of maintenance and want a filter that simplifies servicing, this is the one you should consider. What people say. Quality product and perfect replacement. In less than 16 hours running after the installation, my pool is crystal clear. Fast shipping, fit great, works awesome. Had original just like this one, lasted 40 years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.